Hello, my little friends. How are you today? I hope you're feeling happy and ready to have fun. Today, I am going to color a hot air balloon. Wow, look at this big and beautiful balloon. Do you want to color with me? Come on, let's color together. Let's start. I will use bright colors like red, yellow, green, and blue. You can choose your favorite colors too. There is no wrong color, just have fun. Coloring is so exciting, right? It helps us use our imagination and be creative. Now, do you know what a hot air balloon is? A hot air balloon is a big balloon that can fly in the sky. It goes up because of hot air inside it. When the air gets warm, the balloon rises up, up, up. There is a basket under the balloon where people can ride and see the world from above. They can see houses, trees, and rivers looking very small. So amazing, right? All right, my little artists, let's finish coloring our balloon and make it super pretty. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to press the like button and subscribe, okay? See you in the next fun video. Bye-bye.